Speaking from Newton study, I am going to teach physics of class 10th. Today I am going to start new chapter, refraction of light. First of all, I understand proper to focus some important notations and some important formula. First of all, I understand to focus some important notations and some important formula because it is necessary to know these symbols and formula before starting the chapter. Hence, your first notations, angle of incident. Angle of incident is denoted by I. Angle of refraction is denoted by angle R. Focal length. Focal length is denoted by the letter F. Distance of the object from the lens. Distance of the object from the lens is denoted by U. Distance of the image from the lens is denoted by the letter V. Refractive index is denoted by the letter N or mu. Mu is a Greek letter. Refractive index is denoted by the letter N or mu. Diopter, it is the unit of measure of power of lens. Diopter is denoted by D. Least distance of distinct vision. Least distance of distinct vision is denoted by the letter D, capital D or small d. Size of the object is denoted by the letter HO. Size of the image is denoted by the letter HI. Now, some important formula. Refractive index is equal to sin I by sin R. Refractive index is equal to sin I by sin R. Or refractive index is equal to real depth of an object in a medium. Refractive index is equal to real depth of an object in a medium by apparent depth of an object in the same medium. मान लीजिए कि बाल्टी में जो है हाफ या फुल जो है उसमें वाटर जो है भरा हुआ है। यदि हम बाल्टी को जो है ऊपर से देखते हैं तो उसका बॉटम जो है थोड़ा ऊपर उठा हुआ प्रतीत होता हुआ है। थोड़ा ये फ्यू जो है ऊपर रेज उठा हुआ जो है प्रतीत होता है। उस सेंस में रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इज इक्वल टू रियल डेप्थ ऑफ एन object in a medium by apparent depth of an object in the medium. उस सेंस में apparent ये refractive index is equal to real depth of an object in a medium by apparent depth of an object in the same medium. मान लीजिए कि बाल्टी का रियल डीप जो है 10 सेंटीमीटर है और जो है बॉटम जो है मान लीजिए कि 8 सेंटीमीटर ऐसा अपीयर होता है कि 2 सेंटीमीटर बॉटम जो है एबव है, इट मीन्स दैट 10/8 is known as refractive index in the terms of depth. 1/f is equal to 1/v minus 1/u. This is the lens formula. Power of lens is equal to 1/f. Magnification is equal to hi/ho, image height by object height. This formula is for lens. Magnification in terms of image distance and object distance. Magnification can be expressed in 2 types. First, image height, object height. Magnification is equal to hi/ho. This is in the terms of image height and object height. Magnification is equal to image distance by object distance. This is in the term of image distance and object distance. Next topic, what is meant by refraction of light? The bending of a ray. The bending of a ray of light when it travels from one medium to another medium is known as refraction of light. When a ray of light passes from one medium to another medium, then it changes its path. This is known as refraction of light. Why a ray of light pass from one medium to another changes its path? We know that when a ray of light travels from one medium to another medium, then the speed of light also changes, due to which when a ray of light passes from one medium to another medium, hence it changes its path. It means that the changing of a speed of light, due to which light changes its path when it travels from one medium to another medium. It means that यदि कोई लाइट जो है, रे जो है, फ्रॉम वन मीडियम टू अनदर मीडियम इंटर करता है, तो इसके स्पीड में इंक्रीजिंग डिक्रीजिंग होती है, इसके स्पीड में इंक्रीजिंग डिक्रीजिंग होती है, जिसके चलते जो है वो पाथ चेंज कर देता है. पाथ जो चेंज करता है उसी को हम रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट कहते हैं. द बेंडिंग ऑफ ए रे ऑफ लाइट एज इट passes from one medium to another is called refraction of light. When a ray of light travels from one medium to another medium, then it changes its path. This is known as refraction of light. Now I stop my teaching. I will see you in next video with new topic. At last, I say you must subscribe Newton Study. Thank you.